Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook tuna fried rice. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper. Tuna egg fried rice. Okay, so egg, and then 2 eggs, and then 2 cans of tuna, and then 2 cups of rice, and then soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, onions, spring onions, and then butter. We're gonna add the butter. I put a little oil and then a tablespoon of butter. Okay. And then we're gonna cook the egg first. Okay. We're gonna do. Okay. Okay, we're gonna flip it over. We are going to put this one in the fried rice. Okay. Okay, so this is done. You can also add the eggs if there's a rice already. It depends upon what you like. Huh? Add the garlic. Okay, so we're gonna ato siyang gisahon ang then the onions and the spring onions. Okay. Sanay ako sumot din na siya. Okay, next. I drain it, but there's a little water. Chunky na tuna. Tuna in can. Add a little soy sauce, just a little. Another soy sauce pepper. And then guys, we're gonna add the rice. Okay. Ito nimurog mo ko ng tibog ol kaya nindot tag-tagsa. Add the egg. Okay, just a little soy sauce. I dry. I'll sting guys. Di na mga puka-puka. Okay. Mm. Okay, and then I'm spoon. I used fork earlier, and now it's spoon. Okay, it's good already. Okay, guys. So, it's tasting time, guys. Just a little because I'm become full. Okay, so that's our tuna egg fried rice. Fine. Okay. Just a little, guys, because I become full. As long as I have tasted it. Okay. It's yummy, guys. It's yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please give like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D.Bro.Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Instagram, YouTube, Facebook page, TikTok, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Lilia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.